Hello and welcome back to our channel, your cozy corner for home decor inspiration. In today's video, we are diving into a magical world full of knots, chords, and creativity. Yes, we are talking about macrame animal creations. Whether it's a charming macrame dog, a wise little owl, a playful fish, a crafty fox, or a pair of lovebirds, these handcrafted pieces bring a touch of whimsy and warmth to any space. What is macrame? For those new to macrame, it's an ancient art of knotting cords to create beautiful patterns. With just your hands and some cord, you can create anything from plant hangers to wall art. And now, animal themed macrame is taking the home decor scene by storm. The beauty of macrame animal art, each macrame animal tells a story. A macrame dog radiates loyalty and friendship, perfect for pet lovers. A macrame fox brings a touch of wild charm and cleverness to your decor. The macrame fish is often associated with peace and calm, ideal for creating a tranquil corner in your home. The macrame owl, with its big eyes and soft fringe, represents wisdom and mystery, a great piece for a study or reading nook. And who can resist macrame birds, symbolizing freedom, love, and connection? Every knot, twist, and detail in these designs reflect patience, care, and love. The best part, each creation can be uniquely yours, from the color choices to sizing and styles. Where can you use these macrame creations? These lovely animals aren't just eye candy, they are style decor elements too. Wall hangings. Hang them in living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways to add textures and a natural vibe. A macrame owl above your reading book or a macrame bird near the window adds character. Nursery decor. Soft, cute macrame animals are perfect for baby room. A colorful macrame fox or fish above the crib creates a playful yet calming space. Keychains and bag charms. Tiny versions of macrame animals can be used as adorable keychains, bag charms, or even car mirror hangers. Perfect gifts for personal accessories. Gift ideas. Gifting a macrame dog to a pet lover or a pair of birds to a newlywed couple adds a personal handmade touch that speaks volumes. Seasonal decor. Switch between owls for autumn, foxes in winter, and birds of fish in spring and summer to reflect the changing seasons in your decor. How you can engage yourself? Macrame DIY fun. One of the most beautiful aspects of macrame is that you can make it yourself. It's not just a craft, it's a calming, mindful activity that helps reduce stress, improve focus, and even boost creativity. Start small with a mini macrame fish or bird, just a few knots, and you are done. As you grow more confident, try making a fox face or a fluffy owl with layered cords and beaded eyes. You will not only decorate your space but also feel the pride of creating something with your own hands. You can also gather your family or friends and have a macrame day at home, perfect for bonding while being creative. Even kids love learning simple knots and making little creatures out of colorful strings. Make it yours, personalizing macrame animals. Add beads, wooden rings, feathers, or dyed cords to bring your animal to life. Want a rainbow bird or a galaxy themed fox? Go for it. The only limit is your imagination. Macrame animal creations are more than just home decor, they are expressions of art, love, and creativity. Whether you buy them or make them, they bring warmth, character, and charm into your home And as you engage in the process of knotting, you will find peace and joy in every twist and tie. Thanks for watching.